Hi guys, welcome to this computer system XFCE, and it's the ISO of 4th edition for May. This video is about, well, keeping track of your speed and the download and upload speed. At this point in time, we have a speed test on our system called speed test, right? And it gives you this nice problem, speed test.py and so on, and then you say what the, and then you go F12, and then you go yay or paru, and you type speed test. And what it means, well, it's about this guy, speed test CLI. This is an alternative we've put also on our repo. It's about this guy. It's coming from community. We've never ever built it, but since we have, well, what should you do if something from ArcoLinux is not working? Ctrl-Alt-G, for example, or F or V, you know, Vivaldi, Firefox, Google Chrome, or in this case Chromium. You go to the ArcoLinux speed test CLI and it comes out, right? You make an account on their website and you flag it out of date. But it has already been flagged out of date since the 8th of April, and we're now the 16th of April. And the maintainer in question is this guy or maybe other guys, right? They will not maintain it maybe immediately because of other present urgent matters. So what we do as developers, we say, I will just add a new guy in there, and the new guy is this guy, speed test CLI git. So we've built this guy and it's now on our repo, and on our ISOs we'll just lose the one from ArcoLinux, so this one, and we'll just add the git version from it, because what do you know, if we going to install number 2 coming from git, so git is always the latest version. If a developer creates something, he pushes to GitHub, so assuming, right, always assuming, then everything will work again. But he's approachable. It's a GitHub. It's he's a human being. You can post issues to him. Say, look, I've troubles with Python version 3.8, whatever update came in, and then he say, oh yeah, and it can do something about it, right? So the Git version is now going to be on our ISO. So if that's important for you, knowing your speed test, your speed download and upload speed, hey, here it is. Okay, have fun.